Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Randy, aka Fragrance Dude, back with another video. Before I get into the video, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for early notifications. But in this video, I'm going over two fragrances I just got from FragranceNet. I got a bunch, but I'm gonna do two in this video. They are two that I have yet to try. I have others from their lines, but I have yet to try these ones. The first one I got in a tester box from Guerlain. It is L'Homme Ideal EDT. I have the EDP, the Cologne, and the L'Intense. And the second one is a fully sealed box by Lacoste. It is Lacoste Blanc EDT Toilette. So I'll give you the openings, what I get from the openings, and maybe the mid, and then also the note breakdown, and then I'll do a full review on them in about a week. So the reason I have the Eau de Parfum, the L'Intense, the Cologne of the Guerlain is because of the fact that I heard that the original was redundant. But now that I'm collecting more and more, I want to get the full lines, and so I wanted to, right now the Extreme is really hard to find, so I went and got the original, and hopefully it's not redundant. So it came in a tester box. I've seen the other boxes are not really nice, so I figured I would save myself 10 bucks and get this. So let me open this up here. Okay. We got the L'Homme Ideal. This is a really nice bottle. I'll compare it to the Eau de Parfum. The Eau de Parfum used to have pink sides, but this one still has the colored sides. It's like a matte black. I actually like it better like that. It makes it look more classy. You got the black cap with the Guerlain on top, the Guerlain logo, and then L'Homme Ideal Guerlain has like a yellowish fluid on the inside. Spray it here. And I'll give you the note breakdown while that sits. The top notes are citruses, orange blossom, rosemary, and bitter orange. The mid notes are almond, tonka bean, and the base notes are leather, vetiver, and cedar. Oh, that's really nice. It's definitely not redundant. You can smell the Eau de Parfum in here, minus the cherry, but you still get that almond, you get that vanilla, or tonka. Tonka has a vanillic flavor or a vanillic hue to it. So rating the note breakdown again, I would say that's almond and tonka. It's very tonka heavy. You also get a little bit of citruses, can't really pinpoint them, and a little bit of bitterness, but I don't get any orange per se. So maybe that bitter orange is just making the almond a bit bitter as well, but it's really nice. It's a fresher version of the Eau de Parfum. Usually I do it the other way around, but I don't know how long this lasts or anything, but it projects nicely. I'm actually going to use this as my scent of the day. 5 sprays, oh yeah. So this is L'Homme Ideal Eau de Toilette. Again, you're getting a blast of tonka, you're getting a blast almost like a vanilla, some almond, and you're getting a bit of citruses in there and a bit of bitterness, and that is what you're getting here in the opening. It's weird. On my skin, I'm getting a little bit of leather too. Oh, leather's a note. Yeah, I'm getting a bit of orange blossom too. It's just a really tiny bit, but for the most part, for those who don't really know much about notes, it just smells really sweet, semi-sweet. It's a bit creamy. You get that tonka bean, which is like a vanilla, and you get some almond in there. So if you took almonds and mixed them with like a vanilla, it's exactly what it smells like with a bit of a citrus background. It's a fresher version. It's just really nice. And I'm also getting a bit of leather and a little bit of orange blossom, but they're really subtle nuances. It's a really nice fragrance. I'm honestly really happy I got this. It's sweet, it's delicate, it's really nice. It's almost gourmand. It's a really nice fragrance. Yep, I'll be wearing that. I'll be wearing that a lot. Maybe not so much in the high heat of the summer, but I would say it's definitely great for anything like 75 degrees and below. It's a really nice fragrance. Very versatile for those temperatures. I mean, you could go down to the winter all the way up to 75 degrees. So I like that. Not super versatile, but still really nice versatile. And it seems like it projects pretty nicely. I mean, right here I'm smelling it and I don't have to smell my arm or anything. It's really nice. So that's L'Homme Ideal Eau de Toilette. The next one is Lacoste L1212 Blanc, the Eau de Toilette. So it's L1212. What the fuck? Does anybody know what's wrong with this situation? First time I ever had this issue. So, if you don't know what's wrong with this situation, you should go look at a picture of the Eau de Toilette on Google. This is what the Eau de Toilette's supposed to look like with a Lacoste logo right there. The Eau de Parfum has this stuff. Sticker on the bottom of the bottle. Eau de Toilette. FragranceNet just sent me a repackaged. Give me a second, I'll be back. So, sorry about that. I confirmed my suspicions. This is the Eau de Parfum repackaged into an Eau de Toilette box with an Eau de Toilette sticker on the bottom. I contacted FragranceNet. They were like, oh my God, we don't even have the Eau de Parfum on our site. We're probably selling everybody the Eau de Parfum. And I'm like, yeah, you probably are. And then she's like, are you sure they didn't just rebottle it or something? So I contacted Lacoste. And surprisingly, Lacoste isn't the manufacturer of the Lacoste fragrances. It's Coty. So I had to then call Coty. Coty then told me, no, that is the Eau de Parfum. I sent them a picture. That's the Eau de Parfum. They never rebottled it. The Eau de Toilette looks like this with a Lacoste. It's just a glossy white. The Eau de Parfum is like this. It's more expensive, but not by much. So I got the Eau de Parfum. I don't have either, so I don't really care. And I paid less for this than I would have paid for the Eau de Toilette anyway. So I'm gonna just go with that and try it out. But just an FYI, if you're buying off FragranceNet, either buy the big bottle or buy it on Fragrance X because they're selling you the Eau de Parfum. If you're looking for the Eau de Toilette. If you're looking for the Eau de Parfum, go steal that right now. But FragranceNet did confirm there are other boxes with this in it as well. So I also wanted to get the different notes because I had other notes set up for the Eau de Toilette just in case. So the Eau de Parfum, the note breakdown, the top notes are green notes and finger lime. The mid notes are eucalyptus and cardamom. And the base notes are pine tree and cedar. If you don't know what finger lime smells like, it's a citrus, tangy, sweet version of a lime with almost subtle hints of grapefruit and orange kind of. But for the most part, it's like a lime, but more tangy, more sweet. This is actually really nice too. I heard this was actually pretty good. So first impressions on this compared to other fragrances I've had with Lacoste is this is actually really nice. This is great for spring and summer. It's a bit tangy. It's a bit sweet from that finger lime. It has a bit of greenness from those green notes. It just says green notes. I don't exactly know what I'm pulling here. And I'm getting some eucalyptus. It's a semi-sweet, a bit tangy, but it's like a green semi-sweetness, and that's what you're getting here. Yeah, it's nice. Not exactly what I was hoping for because I wanted the Eau de Toilette, and the Eau de Toilette has grapefruit in it. So based on the note breakdowns in comparison to the Eau de Toilette has grapefruit while this has finger lime. The Eau de Toilette has florals while this has eucalyptus and cardamom. And this one seems like, based on the notes, it's a bit more mature. But I would have to get the Eau de Toilette to let you know. But I'm gonna buy the Eau de Toilette in the meantime, and then I'll do a face-to-face with the Eau de Parfum. But it's mass appealing. It smells good. That finger lime's dying down super quickly, and that eucalyptus is just flying right off the charts. I'm also getting a bit of pine. I'm not any cedar, but it's a really subtle fragrance. It's nice, it's mass appealing. I don't know. I was going to get this at some point in time, but the Eau de Parfum by Lacoste, it's a nice fragrance. Semi-citrusy, a little bit sweet, bit green, eucalyptus, a little bit of pine in the dry down, finger lime dissipating already. It's a nice fragrance, nothing off the charts, but for the price, it's definitely something worth a look. So yeah, you guys just got firsthand that FragranceNet is not always 100% like everybody says. They repackage shit, and sometimes they don't know what they're doing. So there you go. It's actually pretty exciting for a video, but not exciting for a collector. But yeah, I mean, I guess I got the Eau de Parfum for $10 cheaper, so we'll go with that. So thank you guys very much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions or any comments, or if you had tried any of these, or if you've had the same stupid situation happen to you. But I'll be back with another one.